Hello friends, welcome to my channel Academic Made Easy PC. If you have not subscribed my channel, subscribe it and also click the bell icon. Find the values of each of the following. 11th question. Tan inverse 2 cos 2 sine inverse 1 by 2. So for this types of questions we have to find the values, okay, substituting the value of 1 by 2 in sine, cos and all we will be doing. So this is one of the easiest part. We have to remember this table to do all these sums. So now let's move on to solution. Tan inverse 2 cos 2 sine inverse 1 by 2. So now I have to check in what all place I will have sine 1 by 2. So sine is 1 by 2 at pi by 6. So now I have to substitute the value of 1 by 2. So tan inverse 2 cos 2 sine inverse, where is sine 1 by 2 at pi by 6? No, so I will have sine pi by 6 there. Fine. So here I will have, you should not write only pi by 6. You have to write sine pi by 6. Okay, so sine and sine inverse will get cancelled and then we will write tan inverse 2 cos 2 pi by 6. So now here we have common factors, no? So 2 and here it will be 3. So therefore tan inverse 2 cos pi by 3. So at cos pi by 3 what do we have? 1 by 2. So here if you have 1 by 2 you have to check the position and write sine 1 by 2 or sine pi by 2 or sine pi by 6 or whatever. If we have numbers or pi value then we have to write numbers. So therefore tan inverse, so 2, what is cos pi by 3? 1 by 2, no? So 2 into 1 by 2. So therefore this and this will get cancelled and I will have tan inverse 1. So here 1 I have, no? So I have to cancel this tan, no? So tan is 1 at which place I will check. So tan is 1 at pi by 4. So therefore tan inverse tan pi by 4. So this one I have got. So tan inverse and tan will get cancelled. What will be my final answer? Pi by 4. So the value of tan inverse 2 cos 2 sine inverse 1 by 2 is pi by 4. Question 12. Cot of tan inverse A plus cot inverse A. So now we have to check in which form it is so that we can simplify and find the value for it. No? So already we know the formula tan inverse x plus cot inverse x is equal to pi by 2. So this is of the form tan inverse x plus cot inverse x, no? So tan inverse A plus cot inverse A is equal to pi by 2. So very simple. So we will write cot of tan inverse A plus cot inverse A is equal to cot pi by 2. So where cot pi by 2 is 0, no? So 0. So the value of cot of tan inverse A plus cot inverse A is 0. This is the value. Question 13. Tan 1 by 2 into sine inverse 2x by 1 plus x square plus cos inverse 1 minus y square divided by 1 plus y square. So now this question is very easy if you have learnt the formulas. So direct formula is given, we have to just find what formula it is and substitute it. Okay, so here let us take this and split. let this be one term and let this be one term. So when we take only sine inverse 2x by 1 plus x square. So what is it? This is 2 tan inverse x. No. So we have already learnt in the formula. So sine inverse of 2x by 1 plus x square is 2 tan inverse x. And also we have learnt cos inverse 1 minus y square divided by 1 plus y square is also equal to 2 tan inverse. Since I have y here, I will have y. If not, I will have x. So this is directly given. So I will just substitute and write. So tan 1 by 2 into sine inverse 2x divided by 1 plus x square plus cos inverse of 1 minus y square divided by 1 plus y square is equal to tan 1 by 2 into, this is 2 tan inverse x, no, 2 tan inverse x plus 2 tan inverse y. So I will take 2 common out. So I will have tan of 1 by 2 into 2 tan inverse x plus tan inverse y. So my 2 and 2 will get cancelled. So I will have only tan of tan inverse x plus tan inverse y. So now I have to apply the formula. I know the formula tan inverse x plus tan inverse y is equal to tan inverse x plus y divided by 1 minus xy. This is the formula. So I will substitute as tan of tan inverse x plus y divided by x minus xy. So tan and tan inverse will get cancelled. So what is here now? X plus y divided by 1 minus xy. So this is my value. Question 14. If sine inverse 1 by 5 plus cos inverse x is equal to 1, then find the value of x. So here we have to simplify it and then we have to find the value of x alone. Okay, so now directly we need not to apply any formula. We'll just try. If we are getting, we will get, or else we will be using some formulas in order to get. So now let's write what is given. So sine inverse 1 by 5 plus cos inverse x is equal to 1. No, so now I have sine here and as well as here. No, so I will just take my sine this side, that is from LHS to RHS. So I will have sine inverse 1 by 5 plus cos inverse x is equal to sine inverse 1. So now I have to check where is my sine 1. Where is sine 1 at 90 degree? That is pi by 2. No. So I will have sine inverse 1 by 5 plus cos inverse x is equal to sine inverse sine pi by 2. So sine inverse and sine will get cancelled. So therefore I will have sine inverse 1 by 5 plus cos inverse x is equal to pi by 2. So now we have already learnt the formula. Sine inverse x plus cos inverse x is equal to pi by 2. No, so here the x value, if it is same for sine inverse and cos inverse, then only it is called pi by 2. So now then sine 1 by 5 and cos also should be 1 by 5. So then only we will have 1 by 2. So therefore x value is 1 by 5. So this is the answer. Since sine inverse x plus cos inverse x is equal to pi by 2, then it means that x and x are same for sine inverse as well as for cos inverse. So here it will be, if it is sine inverse is 1 by 5, then for cos inverse also the x should be 1 by 5 only. So with that condition we have found the value for x. Question 15. If tan inverse x minus 1 by x minus 2 plus tan inverse x plus 1 by x plus 2 is equal to pi by 4, then find the value of x. So even in this question we have to find the value of x only. So now let's move on to the solution part. So here we can't do anything, or we can't just simplify it. So we have to directly apply the formula and start doing. So this is of the form tan inverse x plus tan inverse y. So I will use that formula, tan inverse x plus tan inverse y is equal to tan inverse x plus y divided by 1 minus xy. This formula I will be using. So therefore tan inverse x minus 1 by x minus 2 plus tan inverse x plus 1 by x plus 2 is equal to pi by 4. Let this be as it is, and in the next step I will start applying the formula. So tan inverse, so x minus 1 by x minus 2, this entire term is x and this entire term is y. So I directly substitute it, plus x plus 1 by x plus 2 divided by 1 minus x minus 1 into x plus 1 divided by x minus 2 into x plus 2 is equal to pi by 4. So in the next step I will have tan inverse of, so here I have to cross multiply in order to take LCM, no? So x minus 1 into x plus 2 plus x plus 1 into x minus 2 divided by, since my denominators will be same, I'm just skipping that step. So I will have x square minus 4 minus x square minus 1 is equal to pi by 4. So since, see here, the denominator 1 x square minus 2 into x square plus 2, and here also I will have x minus 2 into x plus 2, no? So only I will get it, anyway it gets cancelled, so only I have skipped that step. So if it is confusing, just do it again and again and see, so that it will get cleared. So tan inverse x square minus 2 plus 2x minus x minus 2 plus x square minus 2x plus x minus 2 divided by, so here x square and minus x square gets cancelled, so I will have minus 4 plus 1 is equal to pi by 4. So tan inverse, so here I have 2x square, so 2x square, so here I have 2x and minus 2x cancel, x and plus x cancelled, and minus 4 minus 2 and minus 2, so I will have minus 3 is equal to pi by 4. So in the next step I will take my tan to RHS. So 2x square minus 4 divided by minus 3 is equal to tan pi by 4. So what is tan pi by 4? It is 1. So 2x square minus 4 is equal to 1. That is divided by 3 is equal to 1. Then I will have 2x square minus 4 is equal to, I will take the denominator that side, so minus 3. So 2x square is equal to minus 3 plus 4. So x square is equal to 1 by 2. So where my x will be plus or minus 1 by root 2. This is my answer. This is a set of properties that we will be using it for the upcoming questions. Okay, so this is also one of the important properties. We also we already learned it in class 11, no? So that only I'm just recapping it. So I didn't give these properties in the introduction, just make a note of it. So sine pi by 2 minus x is equal to cos x. Sine pi by 2 plus x is equal to cos x. Cos pi by 2 minus x is equal to sin x. Cos pi by 2 plus x is equal to minus sin x. So you see, this is very simple. So when it is pi by 2 and pi by 2, no, so it will be just opposite. See here, sine pi by 2 and sine pi by 2 is, yeah, so where we got cos. Here cos pi by 2, cos pi by 2, where we have sine. So it is easy, you know. So when we take quadrants itself, all silver teacups, no. So sine pi by 2 minus means, so it will be here, everything is positive, so I'm getting cos. So only for pi by 2 I'm saying now. So cos is positive over here. So here sine pi by 2 plus x for sine only, no? So then it will be positive over here. Next is cos pi by 2 minus x is, so here everything is positive, so automatically it is positive. So next cos pi by 2 plus x, cos is positive here? No. Sine is positive, but is cos positive? No. So therefore here it is negative. This can be applied for this. Okay. Next set of formulas is for pi, that is 180 degree, and sine pi plus x is equal to minus sine x, sine pi minus x is equal to sine x, cos pi plus x is equal to minus cos x, cos pi minus x is equal to minus cos x, cos pi plus tan pi plus x is equal to tan x, tan pi minus x is equal to minus tan x. So even for this one, all silver teacups. Okay, so here sine pi plus x means it will be here. No, so for all this pi, it will be same terms only, sine, cos, tan. So here it will be pi plus x means it will be in this quadrant. This is pi by 2, pi, 3 pi by 2, 2 pi. No, so here is sine positive here, sine is positive only here and here, so therefore it is negative. And next if we go for pi minus x means it is here, sine is positive here. Okay, so next cos pi plus x is equal to minus cos x means, see here, pi plus x it will come here. Is cos positive here? No, only tan and cot is positive over here, so therefore it is negative. So pi minus x means it will be in this quadrant. Is this positive or negative? Negative. So therefore for both also cos is negative. So next here, tan pi plus x. What is pi plus x? Pi is here, plus x means it will be over here. So is tan positive here? Yes, of course tan is positive over here, so therefore it is positive. Next for tan pi minus x. Pi, this is pi, minus x means what? It will be in this quadrant. So in this quadrant tan is negative. So therefore it is negative. I think this set of properties also will be easy for you all. So the last one is sine 2 pi minus x is equal to minus sine x, 2 pi minus x is equal to cos x, tan 2 pi minus x is equal to minus tan x. So for this also the same, you take quadrant itself. So this is 2 pi, no? So all silver teacups. Here, see, sine is positive here and here alone. Tan is positive here and here. Cos is positive here and here. Okay, so 2 pi means it is here only. Cosec sec and cos is positive here. So now if I take, see, sine 2 pi minus x means it is in this quadrant. In this quadrant, sine is negative, so only my sine is negative. Here, 2 pi minus x in cos is positive. Why? Because cos is positive in this quadrant, so it is positive. So tan 2 pi minus x is negative, so therefore it is negative over here. So I think this will be making you more and more clear. So now we will be using these set of properties to find the answers. Find the values of each of the following. So question 16, sine inverse of sine 2 pi by 3. So we will be just simplifying. Simplifying means already we learnt in principal value branch. Now we will be just doing it like that. Okay, so here I will write it simply because I will write it in the simple form. Okay, so simple form means I have to write it like pi minus or plus I have to do, and pi by 3. I will be writing sine inverse sine 2 pi by 3 as sine inverse sine pi minus pi by 3. See, if I take LCM also, it will be 3 pi minus pi by 3, which is 2 pi by 3. I will get back the same answer, no? So just to find the value, I am just splitting it. Splitting this 2 pi by 3 as pi minus pi by 3. So if I go back to the same step also, I will get the same answer. So now I taught you some set of properties, no? So sine pi minus x is equal to sine x. Isn't it? The same thing, I will be applying this formula and saying that sine inverse of what is my x over here? It is pi by 3. So therefore sine inverse of sine, what is my x? Pi by 3. So sine inverse and sine will get cancelled. So therefore the answer is pi by 3. This is my answer. Question 17, tan inverse of tan 3 pi by 4. So this also same way we have to do. Tan inverse of tan 3 pi by 4 can be written as tan inverse of tan pi minus pi by 4. Everything should not be written as pi minus pi by 4 or pi minus pi by 3 and all. It just depends on the question. Okay, so this 4 pi minus pi by 4 gives me 3 pi by 4. So only I am taking it in such a way. So I already taught you that tan pi minus x is equal to minus tan x. No. So what is the value of x here? Pi by 4. So tan inverse of tan minus, no. So here it should be minus pi by 4. So therefore tan inverse and tan will get cancelled. Only minus pi by 4 is remaining. So this is the value. Question 18. Tan of sine inverse 3 by 5 plus cot inverse 3 by 2. So do we have any formula for sine inverse x plus cot inverse y? No. So since we don't have any formula, we have to check if there is any common terms. So here I have tan, sine inverse, cot inverse. So tan and cot somehow can be matched, but here sine related to tan. No, since it is not related, we have to convert. We know how to convert sine in terms of tan, no? So we will be converting sine in terms of tan and cot also in terms of tan, and then we can do the simplification. So we know that sine inverse x is equal to tan inverse x by root of 1 minus x square. We know this, no? So my x value is 3 by 5 now. So sine inverse 3 by 5 is equal to tan inverse 3 by 5 divided by root of 1 minus 3 by 5 the whole square. So which is equal to tan inverse of 3 by 5. So here this will be 25, no? So 25 minus 9 by 25. I am just taking LCM. So this is equal to tan inverse of 3 by 5 divided by 25 minus 9 is 16 divided by 25. So here it will be tan inverse of 3 by 5 divided by root of 16 is 4 and 25 is 5. So therefore, since my denominators are same, I'm cancelling these two. So in the next step, I will have my sine inverse my 3 by 5 as tan inverse 3 by 4. This is my answer for sine inverse 3 by 5. So now my cot inverse 3 by 2 can be written as tan inverse 2 by 3. Just an opposite, okay? Tan inverse 2 by 3. Here it is 3 by 2. If it goes for tan inverse, then it will be 2 by 3. Next, so I will substitute. So tan of sine inverse 3 by 5 plus cot inverse 3 by 2 is equal to tan of, what is my sine inverse 3 by 5? It is tan inverse 3 by 4 plus what is cot inverse 3 by 2? Tan inverse 2 by 3. So now this is of the form tan x plus tan y. No. So we know the formula tan inverse x plus tan inverse y is equal to tan inverse x plus y divided by 1 minus xy. So this is the formula. So if I substitute in the formula, I will have tan of tan inverse 3 by 4 plus 2 by 3 whole divided by 1 minus 3 into 2 by 4 into 3. So this is my answer. So next, tan of tan inverse. So here if I take LCM, 9 plus 8 divided by, since my denominators will be same, I'm just leaving it just like that. So this will be 12 minus 6. So therefore, tan of tan inverse 9 plus 8 is 17 by 6. So tan and tan inverse will get cancelled. So therefore my answer will be 17 by 6. This is my answer. Question 19, cos inverse cos 7 pi by 6. So this one is very easy question. So here also we will be splitting it in such a way that we will get a simplified form for cos inverse cos 7 pi by 6. Okay. So now cos inverse cos 7 pi by 6 is equal to cos inverse cos. See here it is, if it is 5 pi by 6, we can just directly write pi minus pi by 6. Okay, since here it is 7 pi, it is one more addition like it is there, no? So we will write pi plus pi by 6. What will be the answer for this? 6 pi plus pi means it is 7. No, 7 pi by 6. So therefore, we have learnt the formula cos pi plus x is equal to minus cos x. No, we will be using this formula. So cos inverse of minus cos pi by 6. So we already learnt one more formula, that is cos inverse of minus x is equal to pi minus cos inverse x. No, so we will be applying that formula. So pi minus, what is cos inverse? Cos inverse cos pi by 6. This entire term we are taking it as x. Okay, so then only it will be minus x. No, so only I have taken the entire term cos pi by 6. So cos inverse and cos will get cancelled, so I will have pi minus pi by 6. So I'm going to take LCM. So 6 pi minus pi by 6 is equal to 5 pi by 6. This is my answer. Question 20. Sine of pi by 3 minus sine inverse of minus 1 by 2 is equal to what? This is the choose the best answer. So now we will be applying it directly. So sine pi by 3 minus sine inverse minus 1 by 2. This is given. So we know the formula that sine inverse minus x is equal to minus sine inverse x. No, so therefore we will be applying that and saying that sine of pi by 3 minus, so minus sine inverse 1 by 2. Okay, so sine pi by 3, I have applied this formula, so only I'm getting minus of minus. So minus of minus is plus sine inverse 1 by 2. So now I have to check at which position sine is 1 by 2. So sine pi by 3 plus sine inverse, sine is 1 by 2 at pi by 6. Okay, so sine pi by 6 is equal to 1 by 2. So sine inverse and sine will get cancelled. So I will have sine of pi by 3 plus pi by 6. So now let me take LCM. So sine 2 pi plus pi by 6 is equal to sine 3 pi by 6. So pi 1 2. So I will have sine pi by 2. So what is sine pi by 2? Sine pi by 2 is 1. So this is my answer. Question 21. Tan inverse root 3 minus cot inverse minus root 3. So tan inverse root 3 can be written directly, whereas we have cot inverse minus root 3. No, so we have already learned the formula. Cot inverse minus x is equal to pi minus cot inverse x. No, so we will be using that formula and changing it. Okay, so cot inverse minus root 3 is equal to pi minus cot inverse root 3. So we will substitute now tan inverse root 3 minus cot inverse minus root 3 is equal to tan inverse root 3 minus pi minus cot inverse root 3. So therefore, what is tan inverse root 3? Tan is root 3 at pi by 4. No, so tan inverse tan pi by 3 minus pi minus cot is root 3 at pi by 6. So cot inverse cot pi by 6. So here tan inverse and tan, cot inverse and cot will get cancelled. So I will have pi by 3 minus pi plus pi by 6. How means minus into plus is minus, minus into minus is plus here. So I will take LCM. So when I take LCM, LCM is 6. So 2 minus 6 plus pi. Sorry, 2 pi minus 6 pi plus pi. So here I will have 3 pi minus 6 pi by 6, where it is minus 3 pi by 6. So which is equal to minus pi by 2. This is my answer. If you have any doubts, mention it in the comment box.
Like, comment, share and subscribe.